whom are both relative pronouns, which means that they function to connect a clause to the rest of a sentence. In other words, relative pronouns are found in sentences that contain more than one clause, and they relate to a specific word or phrase that they modify. Who and whom are usually used only in relation to people. How to use who in English. Who is used in relative clauses to replace a noun referring to a person or object. Who functions as the subject in a sentence. For example, the man who is standing in the corner there is my boyfriend. The boy who broke my glass will have to pay for it. How to use whom in English. Unlike the pronoun who, whom is used as an object and is followed by a complete clause. For example, the professor, whom I admire very much, is giving a lecture today. How to figure out whether who or whom is correct. Trick number 1. If you can replace the word with he or she or another subject pronoun, use who. If you can replace it with him or her or another object pronoun, use whom. One way to remember this trick is that both him and whom end with the letter M. For example, whom do you love? Do you love him? You would not say, do you love he? So, whom is correct. Trick number 2. 1. Find all the verbs in the sentence. 2. Find the subject that corresponds to each verb. 3. If whom is a subject, the one doing the action, use who. 4. If whom is an object, the one receiving the action, use whom. Let us look at this example. Who made those delicious cakes, and to whom will she give them? The verbs are made and give. The subjects are who and she. Because who is the subject of the first clause, doing the action, who is correct. Because she is the subject of the second clause, whom is correct. Because it is receiving the cakes.